Tasty belly. Cute baby. There's big boy. I'm so proud of you. You're such a good boy.
And look what he has.
What? Monkey butt.
Monkey butt.
Yep, monkey butt.
He's a good little boy.
Yeah. We're tired.